Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to discuss the example for differentiation. So kindly refers to the question, given we have the ln bracket y squared plus 1 which is equals to x. Find the dy dx and also the second derivative in terms of y. So if it refers to the question, we are dealing with the dy dx. So kindly focus on the left hand side. If we differentiate the ln, so we will have 1 over y squared plus with the 1. Next, differentiate the internal function. So we will have 2y dy dx. If we differentiate the 1, we will have 0. Focus on the right hand side. If we differentiate x, and we will have 1. So kindly rearrange the situation. So we have the dy dx, which is equals to, we have the y squared plus the 1 over the 2y. So that is the dy dx. Or we may rewrite the situation. We have y over the 2 plus with 1 over 2y. Next, focus on the second derivative. So we have the second derivative. If we differentiate this one, so we will have 1 over 2 bracket dy dx. Plus, focus on this part, and we will have 1 over 2 bracket negative 1 over y squared. Do remember, add on the dy dx. Next, continue. Focus on the dy dx. So we have to substitute the dy dx. So if we substitute the dy dx, we have the second derivative, which is equals to 1 over 2 bracket. We have the situation, which is y squared plus with 1 over the 2y. Plus, we have 1 over 2 bracket, negative 1 over y squared bracket. We have the y squared plus with 1 over the 2y. Kindly rewrite the situation. So in here, we have the y squared plus with 1 over the 4y. Minus, we have the situation, y squared plus with the 1 over, we have the situation 4, and then continue. We have the y to the power of 3. So kindly equate the denominator. What we have to do is to multiply the y squared for this part. So rewrite the situation. The second derivative, where we will have y to the power 4 plus with the y squared, and then minus the y squared, and then minus the 1 over the 4y cubed. Finally, we have the second derivative, which is equals to y to the power 4 minus the 1 over 4y to the power of 3. So that is the first derivative and also the second derivative in terms of y. Next, focus on the b. Given the situation, we have x squared y equals to sine bracket, we have 2x squared plus with the pi. So let's focus on the situation, making use of the product rule. So here we have y bracket, we have 2x. Plus, we have the x squared, differentiate the y, and we will have dy dx. Which is equals to, if we differentiate the sine, and we will have the cos bracket, we have the 2x squared plus with the pi. Differentiate the internal function, and we will have the 4x. Kindly rewrite the situation. We have 2xy plus with the x squared. Then here we have the y prime. And then equals to, we have the 4x cos bracket, we have the 2x squared plus with the pi. So that will be our simplest form for the first part. Next, focus on the second derivative. So refers to this part, and we will have y bracket 2. Plus, we have the 2x. If we differentiate the y, and we will have the y prime. Continue. Plus, we have the y prime. Then if we differentiate, and we will have the 2x. Plus, we have the x squared. If we differentiate the y prime, and we will have y double prime, which is the second derivative. Continue. We have the cos bracket 2x squared plus with the pi. Differentiate the 4x, and we will have the 4. Plus, we have the 4x. If we differentiate the situation, and we will have the negative sine bracket 2x squared plus with the pi. Kindly differentiate the internal function, and we will have the 4x once again. Rewrite the situation. So in here we have the 2y, and then in here we can say 4x, and then we have the y prime. Continue. We have plus, we have the x squared, then we have the y double prime. Continue. Rewrite the situation. We have 4 cos bracket 2x squared plus with the pi, and then minus, we have the 16x squared multiply with the sine bracket 2x squared plus with the pi. So kindly refers to the question in here. So kindly check the situation. We already achieved the 4x divided x. We have already achieved the x squared for the second derivative. Next, we already achieved this part, 4 multiplied with the cos bracket 2x squared plus with the pi. Kindly rearrange the situation. And we notice that actually the sine bracket 2x squared plus with the pi, which is equals to 2y plus with the 16x squared. Multiply with the situation here we have x squared y. Then plus we have the 4x, then y prime, plus we have the x squared, then we have y double prime, equals to 4 multiplied with the cos bracket 2x squared plus with the pi. So notice that we can factor out the situation 2y. So if we factor out the 2y, bracket, we have the 1 plus with the 8x to the power 4. Plus we have the 4x multiplied with the dy dx. And then continue. Plus we have the x squared. And then differentiate with the second derivative. And then equals to 4 cos bracket, we have the 2x squared plus with the pi. So we already shown the situation given. If you are new here, kindly consider subscribing to this channel and share this video to your friend. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.